Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see automation best practices for data security with Microsoft Purview. First, I would like to bring up my text box. In here, if you'll see, we'll discuss about the modern security landscape, modern cybersecurity landscape. Now, as we all know, today's security threats are complex and ever evolving. Data breaches are becoming more frequent and costly, right? And then businesses need robust security solutions to protect their data and operations. All right, now, what is Microsoft Purview? If you've not watched my previous videos and if you're here for the first time, well, a Microsoft Purview is a comprehensive data governance and data security solution. Okay. It provides centralized control and visibility over all of your data assets, which are scattered on-prem or hybrid of clouds, IoT. And then it helps you discover, classify, and protect sensitive information, right? So data governance, data security, right? Centralized control, and protect sensitive information. And if you talk about some key features of Microsoft Purview, as I told you, data discovery and classification, because it identifies and classifies sensitive data across the organization. And data protection and governance, we implement policies to control access and usage of sensitive data. Then threat detection and response, we monitor for suspicious activity and respond to incidents quickly, right? Now, when it comes to automate the security with Microsoft Purview, all right, we can integrate Purview with all the existing security tools. We can set up, and so I would say integration. We can set up automated policy. For data classification and access control. And we can use machine learning to detect and respond to threats in Azure. All right. If you talk about benefits of automating security with Purview, it will reduce the manual effort. All right. It will enhance data security and compliance. It will improve threat detection. And we will gain valuable insights. Right. Now, how will you achieve this? We all know that Microsoft Purview provide an out-of-the-box user experience through the governance portal, but not all tasks are suited to the point and click nature of the graphical user experience. For example, you want to trigger a scan to run as a part of automated process. You want to monitor for metadata changes in real time if you want to build your own custom user experience. But Microsoft Purview provides several tools as well. All right, what kind of tools it provides? I'll take it from the top, in which we can use to interact with the underlying platform in an automated and programmatic fashion, right? And we can automate different aspects from the control plane made accessible via Azure Resource Manager or ARM. Now, these tools are ARM templates. We can do it through Terraform. So the scenario would be infrastructure as a code. We can use Azure CLI. We can use PowerShell command line. We can have REST APIs. We can use event hubs, Apache Altus. We can use Azure Monitor. We can use SDKs as well, .NET, Java, JavaScript, or Python. Now, Azure CLI and Azure PowerShell. This one, right? These are command line tools that enables us to manage Azure resources, including Microsoft Purview. Now, there are a list of commands that grow over time, but only a subset of Microsoft Purview control plane operations is currently available. You need to check the documentation for an up-to-date list of commands that are available. So the command line is az.purview, and we can use it to get an account, list the authorization account. So there are some command lines that are available on Microsoft portal. You want to add Azure Purview account root collection admin. There is a built-in PowerShell command with proper syntax and examples that is available on Microsoft documentation. And then there are when would you use the command line? These are best suited for ad hoc tasks and quick exploratory operations. Now then there are REST APIs. REST APIs are HTTP endpoints that surface different methods. We can use post, get, put, or delete. It would trigger the actions such as create, read, update, or delete, which is CRUD or CRUD, whatever you want to say it. And then Purview exposes a large portion of the Microsoft Purview platform via multiple service endpoints, right? You can use REST APIs to required operations which are not available via CLI PowerShell or native client libraries. You can use it for custom application development or process automation. And Microsoft Purview can send platform logs and metrics via diagnostic setting to one or more destinations. It can be a log analytics workspace, it can be a storage account, or Azure Event Hub. There are some available metrics which include data map, capacity units, data map, storage size, scan cancelled or scan completed, scan failed. Now, once you configure it, Microsoft Purview automatically sends these events to the destination as a JSON payload. From their application, subscribers that need to consume and act on these events can do so with the option of orchestrating downstream logic. And then there are SDKs, because Microsoft provides Azure SDKs to programmatically manage and interact with Azure services. There are client libraries available from Microsoft Purview in several languages, for example, .NET, Java, JavaScript, and Python. You can use the SDKs because they are recommended over the REST APIs as the native client libraries, because it will follow standard programming language conventions in line with the target language that will feel natural if you are working as a developer, right? So this is what I wanted to discuss about Microsoft Purview automation best practices. I hope it was informative for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.